How to save a file on Dropbox app to Gmail directly, easily and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Dropbox. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now choose the file that you want to save to your Gmail. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Click on those three dots right here, and now click here, scroll down and click on export. After you click on export, click on export. Now here you will find the Gmail option. Click on it and everything will be done easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.